Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Tuesday, March the 2nd, and Wednesday, March the 3rd. First of all, I wanted to apologize for missing school on Monday. I had to attend a funeral for a loved one, so I was not able to be in the building. Hopefully students got done what they needed to get done, whether it was in person or at home. Just to point that out very quickly, this week's folder, the Q3 Week 6 folder, the start of the Ancient Greece unit, Greek mythology and Greek geography, is purple. Clicking on that. In Monday's folder, that pinkish colored folder, there was a video activity called Early Greek Civilizations. That video is about 20-25 minutes. There's some multiple choice questions that went with it. Students can do that really at any time this week. If they have not done that, please make sure that that gets done. It's a nice introductory assignment to the Ancient Greece unit. Today, on Tuesday the 2nd, we spent time on Google Meets and in person getting started with the Greek mythology assignment. You notice in Tuesday's charcoal colored folder, there are two Greek mythology assignments. One is labeled as a beginner's assignment, one is labeled as an expert's assignment. I want to make it very clear that I only want students to do one of the assignments. I'm not going to give bonus points if you do both of the assignments. I want students to choose whether they believe they're a beginner or an expert based on what they know already coming into class about Greek mythology, Greek gods and goddesses. So we talked a little bit about the movie Hercules. We talked about Percy Jackson. We talked about some things that the students may have seen throughout elementary school with Greek mythology. The beginner's assignment looks like this. And it's really just an overview of the Greek gods and goddesses. I selected quite a few examples. So students will use these links or any website from the internet to complete this chart. I did the first one for students, Hermes. So you give me the role or responsibility of that god. You give me the Roman name of that god and some type of interesting fact or facts about that god. So these websites are useful, but students can use whatever website they'd like. They're doing basically just an overview, and once they finish the chart, they will submit it. So that's the beginner's assignment. The expert assignment is one that looks a little bit similar. I gave the links again, but students are selecting one particular Greek god or goddess, and they are answering the questions in this chart just on that Greek god or goddess. So they're focusing on a favorite or one particular god or goddess to do this. So students worked on this with their class time on Tuesday. Students also have Wednesday to continue to work on and finish these. And then on Thursday during our live Google Meet, I will answer any last second questions about Greek mythology, and we will get started working on the assignments for Greek geography. If you have any questions while you're working on Wednesday, please let me know. I hope you have a fantastic day. Talk to everybody soon.